In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Discord and fix FPS drops while gaming, essentially debloating Discord for a smoother experience. Firstly, let me walk you through the ease of getting into Discord. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Discord's official website. Once there, you're faced with the gateway to countless communities, the login page. Here you're prompted to enter your email. It's crucial to use the email associated with your Discord account for a seamless login process. After typing your email, the next step naturally is to enter your password. Remember, this is the key to unlocking all the Discord wonders, so ensure it's typed correctly. Now, with your credentials in place, it's time to dive into the world of Discord by clicking on the Login button. A successful login will transport you to the Discord home, your hub for all things gaming and community. From the home screen, your next move is to fine-tune Discord to ensure it's running optimally. To do this, navigate to the lower left corner and click on User Settings, represented by a gear icon. This section is the control room for customizing your Discord experience. Once in User Settings, scroll until you find Voice and Video. This is where you can adjust how Discord handles your audio and video input and output, crucial for clear communications in-game and out. An important aspect to tackle here is disabling Discord hardware acceleration. Though it sounds beneficial, hardware acceleration can sometimes work against you, especially in gaming scenarios where every frame per second or FPS counts. Disabling this can prevent potential FPS drops, offering a smoother gaming experience. Following that, it's beneficial to take a moment to optimize your voice and video settings. Within this menu, you can adjust various settings to match your audio setup and internet connection, ensuring you're heard loud and clear without unnecessary bandwidth consumption. Your attention should also turn to the overlay settings. The Discord overlay is a handy feature, allowing access to chat and other Discord features while in-game. However, it can be resource intensive, so customizing or even disabling certain aspects of the overlay can contribute to performance improvements while gaming. Enabling or fine-tuning these settings isn't just about preventing lag or reducing the load on your system, it's about enhancing your overall gaming and communication experience. The aim is to ensure that Discord runs smoothly in the background, empowering rather than encumbering your gaming sessions. To recap, we've walked through a straightforward yet effective path to optimizing Discord, starting from logging in, moving through to crucial settings adjustments like disabling hardware acceleration and fine-tuning voice video settings along with the overlay options. Each step is a stride towards an optimized Discord experience, ensuring that when you game, you're getting the best of both worlds. Seamless communication on Discord without compromising your game's performance. Remember, the goal here is to make your digital hangout space as streamlined and efficient as your gaming adventures. These tweaks and adjustments should serve as a strong foundation. However, feel free to experiment further within the settings to find the perfect balance that suits your setup and preferences. That wraps up our guide on optimizing Discord to better suit your gaming needs. Hopefully your sessions will now be smoother and you can focus on what truly matters, enjoying your gaming experience and the company of your friends online. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more gaming and tech tips. Happy gaming and see you in the next video.